A little tight right here. See if we can't swing this trailer out of the spot. Nice and easy without messing anything up. So the one ramp that we actually use, the main launch ramp, is being occupied. We have to use an older launch ramp that is, oh crap, I'm already messing shit up. Holy cow. Whoops. I'm sitting here talking about people having a hard time launching their boats. I can't even pull my trailer out the spot without really tearing some shit up. I usually don't do things like this. Whoops. Damn. And we are safe. High tide could always have a big effect on what you do around here, so you should probably not wear good shoes. I mean, I guess they're not that good. Oh yeah, the bay already compromised these bad boys. But, just gotta take the shoes off. The island taxi, taking us to our boat real quick. Best taxi service around. Front door service. See if we can't get this Johnson to crank over real quick. Top tier waterproofing right there. A beautiful little cobweb chilling there. Gotta make sure that ball is nice and stiff. There she goes. Oh! Oh yeah. Old smelly, dirty two-stroke. They don't make them like this no more, fellas and ladies. We're off. Pull this beast.